Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today, we're going to talk about guaifenesin with oxolamine, an expectorant medicine that can be very helpful for those who have a cough and congestion. Join me and discover how and when to use it. Guaifenesin with oxolamine is mainly used to treat respiratory problems that cause mucus buildup. It is usually prescribed for acute bronchitis, colds, and the flu. This medicine helps us to remove mucus from the lungs, making breathing easier. So, how exactly does it work? Guaifenesin acts as an expectorant, which means it thins the mucus. Oxolamine, on the other hand, has properties that soothe coughs. When combined, these components make it easier to cough up mucus and relieve the need to cough. Now let's talk about how to take this medicine. It is very important to follow the doctor's instructions or the instructions that come with the package. For adults, the initial dose is usually 10 milliliters every 8 hours. Don't forget to shake the bottle well before each dose and measure the dose with a special syringe or spoon. Like any medicine, it can have side effects. The most common are nausea, dizziness, and drowsiness. If you experience more serious effects, such as difficulty breathing or swelling, seek medical attention immediately. It is also important to avoid this medicine if you are allergic to any of its ingredients, or if you have serious liver or kidney problems. Finally, guaifenesin with oxolamine can be a great help in combating coughs and mucus buildup. Remember to always follow your doctor's instructions and be aware of any side effects. Take care of your health and breathe better. Thanks for watching.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.